What's up guys? This is Brooke and Barry. We're here at SoCo in Costa Mesa. We thought it'd be fun to give you some shooting recipes. So we have 5 shooting recipes for great portraits in any location. We're gonna explore and see what we find. Recipe number 1, if you find a great repeating pattern, like for example, this wall where we have these nice leaves, kind of consistent color and tone, and even better when it's in the shade, shoot it. It's gonna turn out great. Lean into him a little bit, hug into him, hug tight against him. There you go, right there. And Barry, look down towards her hand and maybe bring your hand to hers or kind of like snuggle into her a little bit. There you go, right there. I love that. Brooke, look down to his hand. Those meaty hands of his.
Those dry hands.
They're ashy.
They're ashy.
Perfect. Now, Brooke, you can go ahead and turn into the camera. There. There you go. Right there. Right there. What is that? Yeah, sing.
No.
Sings. No, no, no.
I'm very that cold right now. It would not be pretty.
I like just the refusal. Like, no. Recipe number 2, find an overhang or a spot where you have nice directional light. It's even better when you can add to that recipe the ingredient of a darker background. So they're against a dark background, we're gonna shoot and get a really nice kind of dramatic look with beautiful soft light coming in. Barry, I want you to kind of lean into Brooke a little bit. There you go. Brooke, look down and towards Barry's side. There it is, right there. You can shrug the shoulder a little bit, give him a little flirt. I don't know what that means. Give him a little flirt. Like, does that have a, yeah, there you go. I like that interpretation. So relax that hand and just kind of let it hang, and then relax the other hand and kind of just like settle back into him a little bit, looking down to that side. I love that. That's cute. I use that word way too much. Everybody says it. I love that. From there, Brooke, I want you to look out towards the light a little bit and kind of laugh, smile, play with it a little bit. I don't know what you're playing with. Play with the sky a little bit. Like, find a spot in the sky that looks good. And now look down to the shoulder while Barry's kind of whispering something sweet in your ear.
Sweet.
Sweet, Barry. Gosh. Once I have them set up, I'm gonna kind of look at the scene and kind of look for these other wider angles where we can kind of create negative space, leading lines, and I have that from this angle. So Barry, hug into her right there. There you go, beautiful. Gorgeous, guys. Stay right there. Make sure we're sharp. Beautiful. Recipe number 3, flat light is flattering, okay? It's not necessarily the most dramatic look, but we don't need it to be. All you're gonna do is have your subjects face out towards the sky, towards a window, towards any natural light source, like Brooke and Barry are doing right now, and you'll see that light just filling in everything. It looks absolutely wonderful, as we're gonna do in this shot. And if you can, add some props to the scene. So look, I don't know if we're really supposed to be here right now, but I want you guys to go sit on there, and then we're just gonna get some shots while you're on the sofa, real quick.
Go.
Perfect, cute. Hold hands here. Now you guys forget I'm here, kind of lean into each other. There you go. I love that. Hold her hand and bring the hand up the thigh a little bit. There, so I can see it. There you go. Lean away, smile, laugh. Cute, perfect. Recipe number 4, I'm a huge fan of light and shadow play. So I love it when we have shadows being cast on a wall. For this first scene, I'm actually gonna put them into the highlights. We're gonna get kind of a fun shot of them in the bright areas of the frame. And the second shot, we're gonna use a nice little tree shape that's being cast right onto the wall and kind of use it within our image. Okay, and I want you guys to both look towards me. Are you too far away to hold hands? There you go. That's cool. There it is. Look at each other smiling, laughing through it. pull apart, hold hands, smile and laugh. Got it. Recipe number 5, backlit grass. It's always a good thing. But in situations like this where we have a lot of different objects around us, all you're gonna do is switch to a tighter focal length lens, ideally a prime, something you can shoot wide open with. And also, this spot is great because another ingredient going into it is this wall on the right side that's acting as a natural fill, putting light back into our scene. So look at Barry, there you go, there you go. There it is. Play Eskimo Kisses. All right, there we go. Don't mind me. I'm just a super creepy person with a camera.
Why you look right at the
I
camera?
don't know. I looked straight at him and I was like,
You look deep into my soul. Like I literally saw your brown eyes look right into it.
can you cut away from that or is it can you cut it?
Fine, yeah.